Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is chopping around there in this range, in this price range. I can only recommend not to stress too much about the microstructures here. Both wave counts are still alive that we talked about in the last video, especially now that the price has reacted to the micro resistance area I shared in yesterday's video. But yeah, don't stress too much about these micro counts. They can morph and change and all the time, you know, within a range, within a correction. These micro counts, I only show them because literally there isn't much more to talk about, right? The overall pattern we're in, it hasn't changed since we reached the top here. I mean, on the 11th of August, right? That Sunday top. Now we're just sort of moving in a correction. The support levels haven't changed. The upside breakout point hasn't changed. And I could also take the micro counts out. It wouldn't change anything, but I still want to keep it educational, so I show them to you. But as I always say, don't necessarily trade the counts. Typically the levels are what really matters, not the wave counts themselves. The wave counts, they only give us support and resistance levels. For example, we have received here yesterday this micro resistance area between 33.6 and 34 cents. The price reacted and is now going down. It seems likely that we're now testing support, but a break above the 34-cent level could take us to the next upside level here, which is this breakout point I shared before. It's the green line. Why green line? Yeah, because it is a confirmation level for an upside breakout. Of course, we need more than just a wick. It needs to be, let's say, a convincing breakout, a sustained breakout, and it would need to be a break above the wave 1 high to suggest that the third wave to the upside is already unfolding. But as I said in yesterday's video, this kind of structure here that developed on Friday, this kind of double bottom, it doesn't really clearly confirm yet a low in place. And any movement from the lows is so far or has been corrective. So therefore, I cannot confirm a low. Had we seen a nice 5-wave move anywhere? Yep, but we haven't. So the support area remains relevant. Next Fibonacci support is at 32.3 cents. The market already found support actually here on Thursday and Friday. Then we have 31.3 cents, 30.4 cents, and 29 cents. So these are the next key levels to watch there. And if really the yellow wave count is unfolding, we should stay below the last high, because that's the clear invalidation point for the yellow microstructure. Above that level, a higher B wave seems likely, before we then test support again. Only a sustained break above the green line would suggest the third wave to the upside is unfolding. Key support remains at 29 cents. And if the yellow wave count is unfolding, we should probably get close to that level. Yeah, we should probably get close to that level. Further confirmation that we are going down lower as per the yellow microstructure would be a break below those swing lows from Friday and Thursday around 32 cents. So it's from Friday and Thursday, yeah. And then it would be a third wave down. It just doesn't look clearly like a third wave down yet, but bear in mind, these C waves, they can be diagonal, so the movements might be extremely choppy. Ultimately, this is a range. Good news is the decline looks corrective, at least so far. And ADA also hasn't really been massively affected by Bitcoin's sell-off that we've seen overnight. So the altcoins are actually holding quite well, which is good to see. Remember that on the Bitcoin dominance chart, we can open that quickly. Bitcoin dominance has reached a resistance level. So we are at a pivot there. It could be a decisive week. Doesn't mean we have to turn around. There's no top signal, but we've reached a key pivot here, which is probably why the altcoins aren't that much affected. You know, it's holding stable. It's rather going down even a little bit. So I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.